Hey, welcome. My name is Didier Rosé. We're here at the InfoComm booth at Las Vegas. Very happy to be in person again. We will be showing a couple of stations here. The first one here that we have is a multimedia panel. So it's basically a 10-inch touchscreen with a microphone, loudspeaker, so an all-in-one situation for conferencing devices. Has been very popular also to integrate with Teams and Zoom calls so that the Zoom call can be shown on the stations itself. And specifically also the camera has a built-in camera, so the camera can be used also to send to the far end. So it's an all-in-one package for hybrid situations. In conjunction with that, it can also work with what we call Nameplates. That's basically a stretched Kindle application. And together with authentication cards, the station can automatically grab the information of the person that is assigning into that unit and then automatically show the different names accordingly. So if you have situations where you have conference rooms that have audiences that regularly change, the use of those cards simplify the setup and everything has been done in one situation. So if you want to have more information about these products, visit our website at www.televic.com/conference.